Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we will be discussing how to connect the 15 Malawian Kwacha's remote controller with the Skydroid C12 and N7 flight control. As usual, this video will be divided into 3 parts: introduction of materials, the wiring process, and displaying the camera feed on the remote controller. Let's start with the materials. For this tutorial, we will need the following materials: 15 Malawian Kwacha's, Skydroid C12, 7 flight controller, TELEM1 cable, C12 video transmission cable, homemade S.bus cable, 15 Malawian Kwacha's receiver, and a power module. These are all the materials required for this video. Now, let's proceed to the wiring part. First, we will use the C12 video transmission cable, which is a homemade cable. It has 3 wires: GH 1.25-8 pin wire, GH 1.25-7 pin wire, and a power wire. First, connect the C12 using the GH 1.25-7 pin wire. Then connect the 15 Malawian Kwacha's receiver using the GH 1.25-8 pin wire. The remaining power wire will be connected later. Next, we use the TELEM1 cable, which comes with the package. The TELEM1 cable has 2 connectors: GH 1.25-4 pin connector and GH 1.25-6 pin connector. This cable mainly connects the link port of the 15 Malawian Kwacha's to the TELEM1 port of the N7. First, connect the GH 1.25-4 pin connector to the 15 Malawian Kwacha's receiver, then connect the GH 1.25-6 pin connector to the TELEM1 port of the N7. Then, use the S.bus cable that comes with the 15 Malawian Kwacha's to connect to the RC channel of the N7. Connect the GH 1.25-3 pin connector to the 15 Malawian Kwacha's receiver, and the other end to the RC channel of the N7. Finally, connect the power module, power up the flight controller, power up the H20 Sky end, and the C12. This concludes the wiring part of this video. After completing the wiring, the next step is to turn on the remote controller to display the camera feed on it. After turning on the remote controller, open the gimbal FPV software inside it, and swipe up, down, left, and right to check if the controls are functioning correctly. In the 4th icon at the bottom of the screen, you can choose different ways to control the movement of the C12. After checking, the next step is to display the C12 feed on the remote controller. Click the 5th icon at the bottom of the screen, find video stream address 1 in the new interface, and copy the address inside it. This is the rtsp address of the C12, which will be included in the video description. Next, open the QGC ground station, click the top left corner of the screen, select Application Settings in the new pop-up window, scroll down in the General Settings to find Video Settings. Follow the video instructions to click the white box corresponding to source. Select rtsp video stream from the options, and paste the address. This way, the QGC can display the C12 feed. This concludes the content of this video. Thank you for watching. To learn more, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.